Schlage Everest 29 SL. The multi-pick SP25 and the PN44 pick. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, that's exciting. I've been fighting this one for a couple days anyway. Okay, definitely picked, obviously. There we go. Didn't actually expect to get the open. This has kind of an odd retaining ring that the 29 SLs, including the Primuses, have. Sometimes, there we go. Okay, there we go. Don't need a follower because this is just a slider kind of thing, and this isn't really non-destructively guttable, but I think we can see all the important features. Grab some tweezers. Okay. There's the sidebar with its little springs, which are easy to lose. And here are the sliders. Let me zoom in again. Right, here are the sliders. 7 of them, full of false gates, and with the one true gate in there. I mean, it's kind of like serrated. I don't know if we have serrated sliders, or here, that's a little easier view. So a pretty high lift, low lift, low lift, low lift, high lift, high lift, high lift, or medium lift, maybe. Here's the key. Oops. You can see them, all the sliders line up. Then the sidebar drops in, and you can also hear my toddler, I think, freaking out upstairs. So anyway, there's the Schlage Everest 29 SL.